Good afternoon. George Cavaligos for HFT Bonds. Another reversal day. It's minor, not a biggie. But we are lower. We're closing on the lows. I would, again, kind of go with the idea that I threw out yesterday, that the market is a little bit overbought still. I think we've got a little bit more downside, kind of corrective trade going on here. Are we going to break out of the wedge? We'll see. The daily trend lines are still below the market here. Kind of far, actually, on the bonds. Almost another point below where we're at right now. Around 133.20 is where, well, it's coming up. It's probably high 133.20s, low, 133.30 area, somewhere in there. That trend line's moving up. I still think we're going to go test it. Whether we break out to the downside or not, I'm not sure. The volume today on the sell-off was probably one of the lowest sell-off volumes we've seen. Open interest keeps falling. On every rally, it's definitely falling. And we'll see what happens late tonight, early tomorrow, when we see the data from the exchange, what open interest did today. If open interest expands today, I'm going to be a little more aggressive on the downside tomorrow. Two reasons. One, you'll have some confirmation of more of an impulse type trade starting on the downside, and tomorrow's Friday. And if you have any kind of memory at all what happens to the bond market on Fridays lately, you'll understand what I'm saying about the downside tomorrow. Again, I'd like to see a bounce. If we can get a bounce back up towards like 126.30, 134.30, somewhere up in that area. I think I just posted, 134.31 in the chat just now, 126.30. Good spots to take a look at any kind of reversal behavior. We bounced last night right up to the levels that I talked about, 135.20 and 126. I think I said 06, 07. I think we went up to 09. So close. I didn't hit it right on the button maybe, but close enough in this business. So that's the plan. No data tomorrow, and we do have a buyback. So lately I've been coming in first thing in the morning and getting short, and at least today and yesterday and the day before. I might not be so aggressive tomorrow Friday. I might wait for the buyback bounce if we can get a decent bounce on the buyback. We'll take a look at things early in the morning, get the morning email sent out to the subscribers, pop into the chat room. Might be worth your while. Have a great night, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow morning bright and early.